pause. I'm gonna try my best to try to not make this a tuner battle, but most likely the comments will still lead in that direction. Anyways, really quick before we get this race started, this is my car, E85 and downpipe sneaky tune on stock IS20 turbo versus an identical downpipe IS20 E85 setup from 5150. Both 6-speed, pretty much identical mods, just different tuners. This is a little throwback video to kind of give you a little background and a little perspective of what my setup was like when I was actually downpipe and E85 on Sneekytuned. Now let's take a look at the run with the max effort Sneekytuned car. I'm gonna call it max effort because owner still claims it's a stock turbo with just a downpipe and E85.
Y'all is really good runs. It's hard to tell who the fuck was winning once y'all got like way out. I was like, these
but I'm telling you, I really don't have an intercooler. I got fucking heat soaked like a motherfucker.
Like that 60 or 70% throttle I was hitting when we were going, I was like, low key, he's right there. Like full throttle, I would ghost, but I'm like, that's still more than an IS20.
Listen, even Ian
Well, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think. Is this a stock turbo GTI? I don't know. It's kind of far-fetched, right? I will say that it has a lot of qualities that you would find in an upgraded hybrid turbo, like a much louder spool. You can't really hear it on the camera, but I can hear it with my window down. Also, the way how it can top end a IS38 turbo past 110, 120. But like I said, I'll leave it up to you guys. Let me know what you think. This should be pretty interesting to read all the comments. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.